I just wanted to show you the little parcel I had today. They're ties here. Difficult to read down. Pack reusable. So inside, inside you've got these ties. All bendable, whatever shape you want them in. They got nice little stoppers on the end, so there's no sharp edges at all, and they're bendable whichever way. They are different sizes, as you can see. So you've got a number of different sizes there. I'm not sure how many's in a pack. I think it's a 6-inch, an 8-inch, maybe 12-inch. Yeah, I'm not sure how many's in there. The information will be below anyway, so don't worry about that. But they are different sizes, so, and different colours, which is really nice. I quite like that. And I like the fact there's no sharp edges at all. They got the little stoppers there, and they're bendable. They're not those silly little wire things. I hate them, absolutely hate them, because they've got sharp edges on the end and they're just so fiddly to use. But these are great if you've got a bigger job to do. These are ideal. So, and you go 3, 4 colours in it. About 4 colours in it. So, very colourful pack and very interesting. Who don't like playing with these? They're better than the ones you buy that are so cheap. I like the quality of these, and they're going to grip well as well. If you can see that it's still the bends in there what I done earlier, they're going to grip really well. So if you need quality ties, good quality, these are them. Very interesting, I like them. I love the colours. Okay, thank you very much. Bye now.